going to find us a place to camp today, somewhere close by here maybe, or we may go on up further. So we're here on our roadside stayover place by the Chena River, and we're going into Fairbanks. I think we'll pick up GoPro today, not GoPro, Starlink. It's supposed to be. GoPro. And well, our Verizon internet worked last night, so that's the first time we've had that in over a month. But anyway, here we are. We enjoyed our stay here. Leanne and Dawn and Glenn and I sat out and celebrated our anniversary yesterday for a little while. I had 4 windshield repairs I did, and they just keep spreading. So I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are in Alaska, and we have traveled, how many miles, Glenn, did you say?
7,800 miles since we left Virginia.
So
on March 24th.
We are happy to be here in Alaska. We want you to continue following our journey, and we'll put up videos as we go. We'll see you later. Greetings from
Chena Hot Springs.
Chena Hot Springs here in Alaska, north of Fairbanks. No, I guess it was northeast of Fairbanks, wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
And we tried to fish in this. Maybe this is a better spot right here.
Maybe.
We might come down and check that out.
We're on the 1-lane bridge and there's a car coming.
1-lane bridge and there's a car coming. So
We're going to the kennel and nature trail.
Right. Forget me not cabin. So we have to go sign up to come in, right, over at the visitor center?
There's a couple different things you can do. You can just sign a waiver and walk around and pet dogs down here, or you can sign up for a ride, which is done at the activity center up in the main resort. Okay. And then we also offer a kennel tour at noon and at 4 o'clock, and you would sign up for that at the activity center as well.
Okay.
Okay.
So how often do you do the rides?
We do them every half hour.
Oh, okay.
Yep. As long as it's cool enough, which it should stay that cool today.
I was going to say,
Yeah,
it's pretty cool today. Maybe not to the dogs, and they're working.
So can we sign a waiver and we'll just walk around and look at that? Yeah.
Absolutely.
So we got ourselves approved to come and pet these dogs on the line. They are going out for a run, and they're pulling this thing, but they're actually using the power of the motor to get them so they don't have to pull so hard. Hello, mister. Hi there. Hey. Hey. Hi there. Hey. How you doing, pal? Good. You're all sweaty. Got slobber all over you. What about you two? You're pretty. Oh, yeah. I know they're going. They're going on a run. Everybody's going on a run.
Can you tell they like their job?
They love their job. Everybody's excited. These guys are getting ready to go. Well, they got that thing chalked down so they can't go anywhere. Yeah. But you got it in gear. Go, buddy. Go, go, go. Look at them go. Boy, they didn't get to go. They're still looking back. What just happened here? So we inquired about how many animals they have. She said they had 84, but then they had 8 pups this morning, so they have 92.
Wow.
Amazing. Look at this. Let's walk over here to the other side, and then maybe we can walk in. Look at these guys. They have all kind of different animals, don't they?
Yeah. Look at him with that black face.
Yeah. Looks like a wolf.
I hate they're all chained up. I guess they'd have way too much energy.
We got a visitor here.
I know, Sweet. Yeah. Aren't you a sweet fellow? You're sure fellow. Sweet thing. Oh.
They're just happy, doing their thing. It's been digging a hole.
He's gonna escape.
Yeah, got a little dog food in here, don't they? Buy it by the pallet. So you can adopt some of the retired mushers. Here's Jabba. He's up for adoption. We sent this picture to our friend Jay Bramall and our friend Jerry Day, both of those Navy buddies of mine. And Jerry always called Jay Jabba when we were on the ship. There's some stories behind that, but I can't put it in this video. And look at the puppies over there.
Oh my goodness. Do not pet these puppies. They're not vaccinated.
And they're just having a grand old time, doing what puppies do.
Fighting with each other.
So we found this railroad, this Alaskan Railroad cars. Look at the snowplow on the front. Maybe it's not just for snow, it might be for animals. But we kind of think that this might be something for
Turning it into
hotel rooms
or
or something. We don't know that.
We're still
to be
investigating.
Sure. And there's a worker down here. Maybe he can tell us, or maybe he can run us off. Well, it's got a lot of odd and ends. I see TVs and microwaves.
This is what the Alaskan, I think, paint colors for the Alaskan railway tours you can take.
Oh, really? Hi. Looks like you're doing some painting.
I am doing a little bit of painting. It's the first step in probably a long process here.
Oh, wow.
What's going on?
So we bought these trains from a Airbnb in town. They used to be on the west side of Fairbanks up in the hills, and we hauled them out here. Her husband and had passed away, and she's older and wanted to retire, so we bought them, hauled them out here, laid tracks, and each one of these three are all like sleeper cars. This one in the middle here has actually got 4 bedrooms, rooms. They are all in different motif, different, there's a gold room, a can-can room.
And so these sleepers are bunks then, in this one here.
One of them is, this one is the one that I told you has got 3 separate rooms.
Oh, 3.
And full-size beds and a bathroom and everything. They remodeled them, and they're really cool. That one is what is called the World War II car, and that's a whole entire car designed for like a family or something.
Oh, wow.
There's like a living space, a kitchenette,
oh my goodness.
Wow.
2 bedrooms.
Wow.
Bathroom.
And that's in this car.
Up here, I guess.
Yeah, they are. That's eventually what we're going to do. And then the first one is a full kitchen and a dining cart.
I saw that.
Yeah.
You could see the microwaves and things in the window.
Yeah, so then the caboose has also been remodeled into a bedroom. So the whole entire caboose is a room with a bathroom and seating area.
Wow.
Oh gosh. When do they think they'll be open?
Well, first we got to get power down here, and we'll have to run a whole septic system and do all the plumbing, because when we took them down off the mountain, they hadn't been in operation for probably 10 years.
Wow.
So we, of course, cut everything off so we could put them on trailers and
Sure.
And
well, that's going to be incredibly awesome.
But it's so neat.
And we're going to tell that story.
It's really, I hope what they end up doing is, because this would be, perfect for a couple that wanted to come up here and manage just the trains. Because it'd be hard for the resort. I actually used to be the general manager until I went into semi-retirement, and then decided, well, maybe a little project here.
Yeah, a little project, yeah.
But it's really hard for like housekeeping to try to do something like this.
Yeah.
It would be. You'd have to have a separate unit for that.
That would be a perfect setup if you had a couple that knew how to, do a little maintenance, do a little housekeeping, a little cooking, and I know the perfect couple because they used to work for me.
You just have to convince everyone now.
So when do you think you'll be operational? This year?
No, I don't think this year, because we're really low staffed. I mean, it's just so hard to get people, it's that way everywhere.
Yeah.
And,
place like this, you get a lot of resort kids that want to come for a season.
Right.
They don't have a lot of practical, like plumbing or welding or electricians, you know. So that takes somebody that we hire from out of town to come in and
You need a handyman.
Several
a
handymen.
couple of them, but I need my own personal one.
Yeah. Wow, this is
All right. Thank you for sharing that story with us. That's awesome.
Yeah, I hope this will be operational by this time next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind if we walk down and look at the caboose?
Oh no, go right ahead.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Have a good day.
You too.
We found out the story on these railroad cars, and we're standing by the caboose that is outfitted to basically be one suite. And it's going to have plumbing in it, and I guess heating and air conditioning. There's one bed, I think, just one bed. And I forget how many cars. It must have 9 cars. And then they have a dining car, and then they have some sleeping cars, and then they have a couple that are, one has got 3 bedrooms in it, and another is just one suite, a rail car, big rail car, one suite.
like
So
renting a little
bedrooms.
house.
Yeah. It was nice, and I hope to have operational this time next year. The lady was very nice to share her story with us. We really appreciate it. There are 5 rail cars for passenger cars. We got a water car, water car, say, and then we got the caboose that's outfitted. We talked about that already. Then of course you have the engine.
Well, and I guess this one may be the dining car.
Yeah, one was a dining car.
So 4 are sleeping of some sort.
Yeah. It's good.
I wonder what the engine, if it has anything in it.
They could outfit that for
They
it.
could be a bar.
Yeah.
It could be like happy hour.
This is the end of the road that we came up from Fairbanks to Chena Hot Springs. And the road ends here. And we're camped here for tonight, last night and tonight, and maybe 1 or 2 more nights. The fee is $20 a night. No hookups, but they have fresh water available, and they have a septic dump. And you can run generators pretty much all day. Quiet hours are 10 to 7. Here we are. Got a car. Look who's staying right here. And we got Starlink on the roof. So this is our campsite. We're number 14. And as we get down, it opens up into the creek. Look at that. Look at that. We actually got some fishing rods.
Listening to that is better.
Yeah, listening to it is nice. So, here we are.
Chena Hot Springs.
Chena Hot Springs. And,
Talk about peaceful and relaxing.
Yeah.
This is it.
We actually had to move yesterday. We had some noisy
Not so
people
peaceful.
behind us, but anyway.
That's okay. They had fun. We moved.
Yeah, we didn't bother them. So anyway, this is it. Chena Hot Springs. Yeah, they got a fire truck. Look at that airplane. We don't know. It's got Charlie Brown up there, good grief. And I think it says Alaska Cargo.
Yeah, Alaska Air.
Yeah. So they got a little bit of everything going on here. I guess they have that welder to weld that frame and all together, get that airplane up there. But it is a monster. Here's a picture of the resort map. These are the hot springs, and the water is at average 107 degrees, right? Is what we said? 102. And so this water cannon coming out of here is great back and neck massage. That's really nice. The other one up there is cold water coming out, and the one in the middle is warm water. These ponds are for ducks and moose only. We haven't seen a moose yet. Notice that the sunset and sunrise are basically 2 hours apart. We're leaving Chena Hot Springs, headed back to Fairbanks to the campground, River's Edge RV Park. in preparation of our trip up to Prudhoe Bay.